Hello everyone, welcome to Rocking Tunes channel in youtube.com. Here today I'm going to teach you about the trend lines. Okay, the most common quote about the trend line is in market is trend is your friend because it can provide you the real direction of the stock. Okay, let's take an example here. Here we have the stock. Here we have example of the Axis Bank. Okay, now how to draw a trend line? We have to connect at least two tops of the candlesticks, and the third top should meet on that trend line to confirm our trend line. Okay, now let's make here. Here you can see here it is. Okay, so how we can draw a trend line? Select trend line. So now here you can see where our point at the highest point of the candlestick or at the lowest point of the candlestick. So now click here at the top of the candlestick. Now draw a trend line from here. Okay, now you can see we make using this point and this point, and here are two candlesticks which confirm the trend. So here you can see the stock is going in the upward direction. Okay, this is the way how you can draw a trend line. How to trade using trend line? Okay, so draw a trend line in the RSI. If you here see the upward trend, here it was the last highest point, the next highest point at was here. So you can see the RSI is moving in upward direction. It means the stock will go upward. Here you can see the example, the stock is moving upward. So now this is the right time to buy a stock, and in the same manner you can see that make a trend line for the fall down. Okay, this was a tutorial about trend line, and sometime it happens the stock is moving downward but the trend line is moving upward. That is known as divergence. So we will teach you about later about the divergence. So now here this is an upward trend line. If you make it to down, let's draw here, take a trend line here, and we make it using this. You can see the all candlesticks, the closing of all candlestick is below the trend line. You can see here the stock is moving downward. Okay, this is known as downward trend line, and this is area of basing. Okay, so try to avoid trading in the area of basing because there is no specific direction that where the stock will go. You can see here is also an area of basing. There is no specific direction that where will stock go. After that stock moves downward. Here again it is area of basing. After that stock moves downward, and after that upward. Okay, so try to avoid in area of basing. Always trade in when the trend is upward or the trend is downward. Okay, this was tutorial about the trend lines, how to draw trend lines. For the latest updates about the Indian market stocks, you can follow me here on moneycontrol.com. My bottom name is Rocking Tour. Here I posted many suggestions and replies to my followers about their stock queries. Okay, here you can see. Thanks for watching.